Welcome to this week's Bayou Country Outdoors with your host Susan Melton and Maurice Fontenot. Bayou Country Outdoors this week is being brought to you by Coushatta Casino Resort, Louisiana's best bet. Meads Automotive Service and Sulphur, reliable and professional service. Professional sound and DJ services, music customized to your events. Lakeside Bank, the way banking should be. Lake Charles Poultry, where service is just like an old-fashioned meat market. Bayou Beds. Buy you a bed for Bayou Beds and sleep happy. Outdoor Adventures Productions, digital, video, and photographic services for television, commercial, and industrial applications since 1993. And now it's time for this week's Bayou Country Outdoors. I'm Maurice, and I want to welcome you to Louisiana's Bayou Country Outdoors. And in today's show, Susan and I are making a late afternoon fishing trip on a southern Louisiana inland saltwater lake. Now on the map, you'll find it shown as CALCASIEU Lake, located in southwest Louisiana. Locally, the lake is known as Big Lake and is considered to be a top producer of speckled trout and redfish. It's especially true when you can find flocks of working birds. When you see the seagulls flying in circles and diving into the water, it's a sure sign that just under the surface is a school of feeding specks or reds. Our intention this trip is to seek out these working birds and fish the waters under and around them. So stay tuned for more Louisiana Bayou Country Outdoors as Susan and I go chasing the birds.
Welcome to Louisiana's largest casino resort.
It's the largest gaming floor in the Lake Charles area with off-track betting, bingo, award-winning dining, luxurious hotels, top entertainment, and the highest-rated casino golf course in Louisiana.
It's Louisiana's largest casino resort and Louisiana's best bet. It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist. Everybody knows it's all in the wrist.
Welcome to Lakeside. How may I help you?
Yes, what do you charge to cash a check from one of your customers?
Absolutely nothing.
Really? No fee?
Zero. Zilch. It's completely free.
I'm impressed. The bank down the road wants to charge $6 to cash one of their customers' checks, and that's just wrong.
You're right. That is wrong. Here at Lakeside Bank, we don't believe in charging you to do business with our customers.
Well, that's what I told the other bank.
Lakeside, the way banking should be.
At Kenny Fuselier and Company, we sell the tough stuff. Hardwoods, tile, vinyl, carpet, and stone. Floors that can withstand years of kids, pets, accidents, spills. And we're much more than just durable flooring. We can complete your look with wallpaper, custom window blinds, shutters, and awnings. With thousands of choices, professional installers, and over 35 years of experience, at Kenny Fuselier, you can walk, tap, and even rollerblade on our reputation.
Hi, we're Bayou Beds. We may not be the #1 mattress store in Southwest Louisiana, but that's why we're working harder, changing the mattress industry with you in mind. Let us show you this queen Eurotop mattress that's 13.5 inches thick, completely foam encased, has a 10-year warranty that's non-prorated the entire 10 years, and we sell it for only $299. Listen, if you have a friend or family member in the business, purchase from them. If not, purchase from us, otherwise we both lose money. Buy you a bed from Bayou Beds and sleep happy.
Come on back here. School spec, school spec.
Bring it in. There we go.
Done had about 6 hits before I finally hooked one. They're just slamming it hard and taking off, going to the next
That's
piece
right.
of bait.
We need to stay out there, don't we?
Yeah,
Get
we
your
sure
line
do.
back out.
Let me put the fish up. We'll keep a couple of these today. Keep us some of
Here
them.
comes boats racing.
That's right, that guy's gonna cut right across our
Oh
fish.
yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, hope not. Yeah, got so much slime on there, I almost lost the reel. You gotta keep a towel handy when you're in these school specs. You don't want to take time. The birds disappeared, which they quite often do when you first come up on a school, but you just kind of keep an eye out. You usually see slicks on the water and still see the fish rolling around some.
One of us has this.
One of us has his fish, and I'm not sure which
I'm
one.
claiming it. It's mine.
It's yours.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, it is yours.
Oh, well, here.
Wait, it is mine. No.
No, I got one too.
Do you?
I sure do. Here, take mine and get it in.
Oh God.
We both had fish at the same time. I thought it was the same fish.
Ooh, yours is pretty good size
yeah.
too. Ooh, that's real big.
Oh yeah, there we go. Ah! Now, you get to unhook them.
That's big.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Now folks, this is where we really need a cameraman.
Yeah.
Hey guys, y'all getting on them too, aren't you?
Oh, that one's out.
Y'all getting abused, you said? Yeah. Everybody's chasing them this afternoon. Yeah.
Each man is for himself. Okay.
Well, you know, as long as everybody eases up and doesn't run up in there, you can all catch fish.
Now I'm picking up. Oh. Golly, come here, you.
We're getting a mess quick, aren't we?
Okay, let's see
All right,
what
get
we
back
got.
out there. We might have to move a little bit. Those birds have shifted some.
I don't know whose line this is. Is this yours or mine?
It don't matter.
Oh well, I'll throw this one out.
They're both rigged the same reel, same rod.
It's just hard to tell whose is whose. Well, we have a bunch of guests on our show this week. We don't know
Really?
who they are, but
We can holler at everybody, introduce yourself.
here, I'll throw this one out too.
Pistol packing mama, 2 of them.
Yeah, I'm being greedy.
Now, folks, I want to see how she does this.
Well, I'm just saying that. I'm trying to help you out here.
I see that.
Okay.
Well, just moving away from those other boats. We done got some stacked up in here. Come on,
Yeah,
fish.
he's got me holding the camera today.
Just luck. Just luck.
Yeah, just luck. That's all it is,
Whoa.
folks, is luck. He's just gonna lose this fish.
Yeah, right in the camera case.
Real good, huh?
All right. Yeah, I wasn't trolling, but I was just moving out away from the other boats. We all kind of got bunched up together there.
Yeah, it can tend to do that, huh? Ooh, this is a good
sounds
one.
like a good fish.
It's coming in.
Bring him in. I'm gonna change batteries. You're gonna get him in the boat.
I'm trying. Get in the boat.
There you go. Okay, I'm gonna change batteries real quick while
All
you're
right. All right. We're catching them left and right here.
Yeah, everybody's enjoying these schooling fish this afternoon.
Took a while for us to find him. Oh, he's got one
All
over
right.
there. Yeah. Hey, it's like one of those fishing tournaments, huh? This is cool. Just throw them in the boat.
Oh, good fish.
Ooh,
good
that's
fish.
a good one.
You gotta keep that one?
Oh, he missed it. That happens.
Right close to the boat. There wasn't much time to do anything with him.
Well, yeah.
Just going back there, and that guy right there hit into a huge one just a minute ago. I had to get the net on, probably about 4 or 5 pounds.
Yeah. Oh, look, your partner's got one. Look.
This is his first spec trip, the guy in the back.
Oh, I thought I had one. This is too much.
All right, guys, y'all helping us with this show.
Yeah, we'll finish this show up. Oh, he's got one over here. All
Folks,
right.
this is wild. I hadn't even had time to put my rod in the water now.
Good, that's what we want. We don't want him out there fishing. Oh, wait, no, did I miss it?
Miss him? Did you miss him?
Yeah, I think I set too quick.
Oh, bummer.
Sometimes that happens. Now they're using one with the little red dot and, you know, the grub with the white.
Oh, the split-tail beetle?
Split tail, looks
Y'all,
like
y'all
it.
fishing split-tail beetles? Okay, we're fishing glow-in-the-dark Berkeley mullet. Did they? I'll be.
Look.
Well, come on, guys. Goose up, tape's rolling.
I know, that's what I've been doing.
This portion of Bayou Country Outdoors is being brought to you by Meads Automotive, with over 63 years of reliable service, featuring complete automotive and truck repair, state-of-the-art computer diagnostics, and free estimates. Located at 1548 East Napoleon Street in Sulphur. An over-the-counter old-fashioned meat market. That's the best way to describe her, Lake Charles Poultry. They carry all kinds of meats and seafood, and it's all fresh. They sell to both wholesale and retail customers, specializing in large order for groups and benefits, with the meats cut and seasoned to order. The freshest meats and the best prices at Lake Charles Poultry. Announcing new hours for your convenience, Monday through Friday, 6:30 to 6 p.m., and Saturday, 7:30 to 1:30. Attention local business. Advertising on Bayou Country Outdoors is both effective and inexpensive. With a large viewing audience and low-cost monthly ad packages, it's the best TV advertising deal in Southwest Louisiana. To make Bayou Country Outdoors part of your business advertising, call us at 794-5407. Get your party going with music and entertainment from DJ Music Service. We can provide music for all occasions: parties, reunions, receptions, anniversaries, and company gatherings. Whatever decade of music fits your needs, we'll have it from the 50s and 60s up to the present day. With our large library of music, your party will be a success. Our professional sound system can deliver quality sound in any size venue, large or small. We're booking for the holidays, so if you still haven't got your party's entertainment booked, then give us a call while dates are still available and get your party going.
Chasing the same birds.
All of us are fishing together.
That's
One guy
right.
spotted the bird and said, "Hey, there they are," and everybody took off.
That's it.
Well, everybody's working together, you know. That group of birds was in real tight when we first saw them. I mean, just grouped in a ball.
We're all out here just having a good time.
There's another thing too, folks. A lot of times, you see these birds were working, now they're sitting. A lot of times you come across the lake and you'll find a group of birds rafted up real tight and there'll be a slick around them. That's as good as birds flying and working. There's fish under them a lot of cases.
They're on bait. They're on some good stuff there. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Schoolies.
You better move out of the way,
move
Reese.
your rod,
He's gonna
huh?
get smacked.
I better
with a
move myself too, because I know what you're going to do. You're going to swing that fish up in my face.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Okay.
Hey,
Oh,
take that other
it's
rod.
gonna
Just let
get
him
in
bounce.
your
Take another
line.
rod.
Oh, this is yours right here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. Whoa.
Yeah, whoa is right. My hand's on that lure.
It's like, okay, let's get another one. This
Yeah.
is fun when it's like this, huh?
Yeah, it is. School and speck is probably the most fun fishing there is. It's even more fun than schooling bass. That's the fish saying, let me go.
Ah, this one out. I thought I had one when it hit.
Some of our buddies followed us over here.
Oop, it took it down, but I didn't set it good or something. Come on, let's
Just
see.
keep working it. That's
Oh, they're like, you could probably use the top water today. You know?
here again. The birds disappeared when we came up, but the fish are still here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of the things you got to look out for.
Oh man, this must be a little one or
And
something.
folks, when you're coming up on a school of birds or a flock of birds over a school of fish, back off. I mean, you know, cut off your big motor a couple hundred yards back and
Ooh,
throw the
this
motor
is a
in. You
good
got
one.
one, don't you?
Oh yeah, this is a real good one. All right, now that means I have to take time to
Yeah, because I got
these
another fish at my
off.
foot.
Uh-oh.
Right there. Doubles from one person. Wasn't much
Reese
time on that.
has
And
a
I was
fish,
I was
yeah.
watching the speck chase a shrimp across the top of the water.
Mm-hmm.
And folks, these have all been good trout. Every one of them at
Yep,
least 13.
but we
This
still
is the
need to
smallest
get
one.
back out there.
I know. I'm going as quick as I can. Everybody's catching fish today. I love it. I love it.
All right, I'm gonna throw back out again. See, look at me, I'm just...
Birds are still working, folks. Now it's 6:40. Sunset is at 6:45. And birds are hot, hot, hot. So, you know, you don't have to come out early. Susan and I didn't even start fishing till, what, 4:30 this afternoon?
Oh yeah, it was late.
Yeah, and, you know, you catch the birds early in the morning and late in the afternoon.
Fixing my hook, it was kind of bent.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was. All right, let's see, I'm getting another one. I'm gonna get another one, but not, maybe not a red, but... Come on, come on.
That's a nice red.
Yeah, that felt good. I didn't, man, I was like, man, I got a big old
It's gonna be a
speck.
cold ride back.
Oh, yeah.
That's all right though, huh? You're catching fish.
Yeah, that's cool.
It might be a red like you just caught.
Could be.
I think it is.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I believe that's a red fish. All right, that's the way to end the evening, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it's a big speck. It's a big
A
speck.
big speck. You're going to need the net.
Yeah, it's a nice speck. Come on, guy. Get a little more line up here. Nice speck. Nice speck. Boy, he's running like a red. All right, look at that
Boy,
one.
he is nice.
Yeah.
That's good.
Now it'd be time for that top water, huh?
Yeah, it ought to be.
Hey, you. I want to fish some more. I don't want to chase you all around the boat. That's a,
All right,
that's a
that is a
handful
good
right
one.
there.
Okay. Here, you come take, oh, you got to wipe your hands. They're all
Yeah,
slimy.
before I grab that camera. Look, they're tied
All
in
right.
over there too. All right.
Okay, I'm going over there. I'm going
Yeah.
in after it. Come on.
It's getting almost too dark to shoot, but man, there's so much action, you just don't want to quit.
Yeah, so much action. I need to probably move over
Yeah,
there more.
he's
huh?
over a little bit. That way the birds are working over in there.
These guys are just catching them right and left.
Well, you have too. All right.
On top water.
Oh, big super spook. Come on here, guy. Blew up like a bass, didn't he?
Yeah.
There's too many fish out here for topwater not to work.
If you're looking for a hearty lunchtime meal that is both hot and quick, let us suggest some local favorites. Hayes Cajun Kitchen, featuring lunchtime buffets and salad bars with a different menu every day. Hot food ready to eat when you walk in the door, or you can call in your order. That's Hayes on Roost Street in Sulphur.
At Kenny Fuselier & Company, we sell the tough stuff. Hardwoods, tile, vinyl, carpet, and stone. Floors that can withstand years of kids, pets, accidents, spills. And we're much more than just durable flooring. We can complete your look with wallpaper, custom window blinds, shutters, and awnings. With thousands of choices, professional installers, and over 35 years of experience, at Kenny Fuselier, you can walk, tap, and even rollerblade on our reputation.
Attention local business, advertising on Bayou Country Outdoors is both effective and inexpensive. With a large viewing audience and low-cost monthly ad packages, it's the best TV advertising deal in Southwest Louisiana. To make Bayou Country Outdoors part of your business advertising, call us at 794-5407. Get your party going with music and entertainment from DJ Music Service. We can provide music for all occasions: parties, reunions, receptions, anniversaries, and company gatherings. Whatever decade of music Fisher needs, we'll have it from the 50s and 60s up to the present day. With our large library of music, your party will be a success. Our professional sound system can deliver quality sound in any size venue, large or small. We're booking for the holidays, so if you still haven't got your party's entertainment booked, then give us a call while dates are still available and get your party going.
Welcome to Lakeside. How may I help you?
Yes, what do you charge to cash a check from one of your customers?
Absolutely nothing.
Really? No fee?
Zero. Zilch. It's completely free.
I'm impressed. The bank down the road wants to charge $6 to cash one of their customers' checks, and that's just wrong.
You're right. That is wrong. Here at Lakeside Bank, we don't believe in charging you to do business with our customers.
Well, that's what I told the other bank.
Lakeside, the way banking should be.
At Kenny Fuselier & Company, we sell the tough stuff. Hardwoods, tile, vinyl, carpet, and stone. Floors that can withstand years of kids, pets, accidents, spills. And we're much more than just durable flooring. We can complete your look with wallpaper, custom window blinds, shutters, and awnings. With thousands of choices, professional installers, and over 35 years of experience, at Kenny Fuselier, you can walk, tap, and even rollerblade on our reputation.
One of the most asked questions of Maurice and I is, what is the best type fishing reel to buy?
Well, Susan, that's kind of an open-ended question because there's no direct answer. Each individual needs vary according to the type of fishing they enjoy, how often they fish, and what their experience is.
With hundreds of fishing reels on the market, the casting reels fall into three basic categories. They are the spin cast or push button reels, the spinning reel or open face reels, and the bait casting reel.
Let's start with the spin cast reel. It's excellent for beginners, has no moving spool, so backlashes aren't a problem. Just push the button and cast. The reels are inexpensive and great for occasional use. However, they're not smooth in handling, and both the fisherman and the reel will wear out quickly.
Then we have the spinning reel. This reel is unique in design, and it too has no moving spool. The line plays off an open face spool and allows the fisherman to cast and retrieve without swapping the rod from hand to hand. These reels are smooth and range from inexpensive to very pricey. They are great for light to medium tackle fishing and wear well. However, line twisting is a problem with extended use.
The bait casting reel is the most versatile of the three. They range in price from very cheap to very expensive, but remember, you get what you pay for. These reels are generally smooth, and the addition of bearings both increases the price and the smoothness. They are great for light to heavy tackle fishing. At first they can be difficult, but once mastered, they offer the best in performance. The bait casting reel is the best choice for anyone who fishes often.
So what type of reel should you buy? We always suggest the best you can afford. Regardless of the reel type you choose, each has models that range in price and quality. With your outdoor report, I'm Susan.
And I'm Maurice. Thank you for watching this week's Bayou Country Outdoors with your host, Susan Melton and Maurice Fontenot. Bayou Country Outdoors this week has been brought to you by Casino Resort, Louisiana's best bet. Meads Automotive Service and Sulphur, reliable and professional service. Professional sound and DJ services, music customized to your events. Lakeside Bank, the way banking should be. Lake Charles Poultry, where service is just like an old-fashioned meat market. Bayou Beds. Buy you a bed for Bayou Beds and sleep happy. Outdoor Adventures Productions, digital, video, and photographic services for television, commercial, and industrial applications since 1993. Bayou Country Outdoors is a production of Outdoor Adventures Productions and is produced and directed by Maurice Fontenot and Susan Melton. You can contact us by writing to Outdoor Adventures Productions, 1019 Shady Lane, Westlake, Louisiana, 70669, or by calling 337-439-4063.